Hi, everybody. My name is Anthony Leggins. I'm a real estate coach and mentor, and I want to invite you to my upcoming workshop called How to Analyze Your Real Estate Deals. So, I work with a lot of mentees and investors, and one of the issues that they encounter is how to properly analyze a deal. So that means, doing due diligence on the property, determining what the current market value is, determining what the after repair value of the property is, and analyzing everything in between that to make sure that you have a good deal or not. Say, for example, I was working with a client that um, made an offer on a property and got locked into a deal, and she didn't do her proper due diligence, and come to find out there was a $7,000 plus water bill on the property in addition to delinquent property taxes. And then when you go back and try and renegotiate the deal with the owner or the seller of the property, you know, sometimes they don't want to renegotiate once you have something signed. So make sure that you're uh, doing your due diligence. And I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you step by step in a systematic way with all of the resources, all of the websites, everything that you need to find out and due diligence on any property in the United States. So make sure that you join me. This is very valuable information. This can definitely save you a lot of time by knowing how to properly analyze a deal, being able to have the resources to find out how much proper rehab costs, proper after repair value instead of just guesstimating and pulling numbers out of the air or using comps that don't fit with the property. Okay, so get with me. This workshop is going to be intensive. You're going to walk away with everything that you need. You're going to get the training manual that goes along with it so that you have reference. You'll have access to replay this workshop again. And in addition, I'm giving you access to my intensive 14 module video training course called How to Invest in Real Estate the Right Way. And I've done live seminars based off of this content as well. Very well received, very good feedback on it, and it's very valuable information. So come on and join me. I'm going to share some things. You're going to learn some things. Just so you know, I am an active real estate broker, active real estate investor, and I'm also a licensed residential builder, aka contractor. Been doing this since 2004, and I have a lot of knowledge to share. So come join me on this workshop. Learn how to analyze your real estate deals the right way, and walk away confident that you'll be able to determine if you have a good deal or not. I'll catch you at the event November 11th at 11 a.m. We're kicking it off. Look forward to seeing you there.